Alright, while we have this brand new HRV, we're going to take her taillights out. And it's very easy, actually. There's a trap door right here. This pops out. No, you can probably get your fingers in here. All it is just little clips. I would use something like this. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Like my seat? There you go. Here we go. This little guy. I'm going to do it right over here too to show you. Right in between the crack. Not Coke, crack. See? No, I meant Coca-Cola. I don't know what you're talking about. You see? Same thing over there. Now, these two screws, I already removed them. I'm going to remove them again. Show you how to take this puppy out. 1, 2, and then you want to just pull. See it's rocking already? Now I'm going to do it with 2 hands because I don't want this thing to go flying on me. So, be right back. You see? That's all it is. You got one guide right there. There's almost a pressure fit. And these lights are, let's see, I bet you they're LED. Oh, these things are fucking LED. Oh, hell yeah, they're LED. Let's see what these things are. But that's how you remove it. So, let's put this aside. I'm going to pause this. I want to see what these are. They've got to be LED. Just like I guessed. See what happens when you guess? Just the rubber. This thing's completely LED. Let's see if I can pull this thing aside. Hey, look. It's upside down. You see? There's a whole circuit board in there. Watch this. Do it with my pinky. Watch this. This thing's all circuit board. Gotta love these new cars. You ain't replacing bulbs in this. Nope. Whole tail light it is. So I'm gonna leave you with that. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it. Actually, you know what? Let me make sure it's put back properly because this is a brand new car. Let's have evidence of this. Let's have proof. All right, you ready for this? Proof. There you go. There's your proof. It's still in there. So we'll put these 2 screws back, just like we found them. We're gonna put them away just like we found them. We're gonna let them leave. A little more broken than we found them. There you go. Put that back. Put the cover back. Let's see which one's which. We're gonna guess this one. This one is gonna go. We got some guides up in this piece. There you go. Look, we got a guide for the water line. That's your proof of how it goes back. There you go. And pop her back in. See it? Was never here. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.